What up? Good morning, beautifuls. I was just singing a little jingle. I just got done working out. It's 6 a.m. Favorite thing is after I work out, coming back and being like, yes, I get to make coffee now. So I keep doing these visualization exercises at night. Every night you're doing how your house is, where do you live. In every visualization I have, I wake up in the morning, I do my morning routine, and then I jump on my show, do my show everywhere I go, and my kids help me. And in my visualization, I have this beautiful home office eventually, and my kitchen's all torn down and remodeled how I want it, and my show is just thriving, and I'm videoing myself all over the world doing silly stuff, and until I know what I need to record, or until it's perfect, or until I have all this equipment, or until... Why wait? Even if I don't know what I'm gonna talk about, I'm like, what am I bringing? Like, why are people gonna want to watch me, you know? Keep hearing God saying, like, just be you. Like, and so I was like, well, if I'm gonna share that out in the real world every day and just see what happens. All right, you are beautifully and wonderfully made, and I love you. Tell yourself that you love yourself, and be good to you and all those around you.